We are pleased to show you the 2023 Maverick. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.